Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach how to take a screenshot on Windows 10. There are different methods to take a screenshot. The first one is the Snipping tool app. Click on the Start menu and search for the Snipping tool app or type in the search bar Snipping tool to find it out. Open the app and you'll see the different options. Go to the Mode option. This option offers 4 methods to capture the screen. One first is the free form snip. If you choose this option, the cursor will change into a scissors. You can draw any shape here, and when you leave the cursor after drawing the shape, a new window appears here. You can click on the save icon to save it or edit it by highlighting it or removing anything. The second option allows capturing of a particular area of the screen in a rectangle. Click on it and the cursor will become a plus sign. Now select the desired area and leave the mouse. And now you can save it. The third option is also interesting. If you have many open windows simultaneously but want to capture any one window, then choose this option and select any window and save the screenshot. Fourth option is for capturing full screen. Everything that appears on screen will be captured. And now save it. You can also take the screenshot by using shortcuts. Depending on your hardware, you may use the Windows logo key print screen button as a shortcut for the print screen. If your device does not have the print screen button, you may use the function Windows logo key spacebar to take a screenshot, which can then be printed. Don't forget to like the video if it was useful. Thanks for watching.